Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here. Today we're making smoked sausage with pumpkin pasta. You should try this dish, it's really good. My videos are short, so please watch all the way through. It helps a lot. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have some beef, smoked, fully cooked sausage here, and we're going to slice it into bite-sized pieces. I say about a ½ inch or so. Then we're going to set our smoked sausage aside. Next up is some green onions, and we're going to use the whites and some of the green parts for our pasta dish. We're going to take our clean green onions and slice them thinly. We're also going to slice the green parts for garnish. Now we have this big old can of 100% pure pumpkin. This hasn't been sweetened, and we're not going to use all of this massive can. The color of fall in a can. Some of the other ingredients we'll be using is rigatoni, but you can use macaroni if you want. Salt, black pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, finely shredded Colby Jack cheese, and half and half. You can also use half whole milk and half cream if you're so inclined. First, we're going to cook our rigatoni in some salted water and drain our pasta, reserving some of the liquid, which is very important. While that's going on, you can make the pumpkin sauce. As you can see, I only have one burner. I've got to do one thing at a time. So in this pan, we're adding just a bit of vegetable oil. Now the smoked sausage and the green onions go in. We're going to stir and cook these delicious things until we get a little color on the smoked sausage. Next, we'll stir in the canned pumpkin and the half and half. Add the salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes, and finally the cheese. Cook and stir until the cheese has melted. Stir in a little pasta water to loosen up the sauce. Stir in the pasta, serve, and garnish if you're feeling it with the greens of the green onions we sliced earlier. Yo, for this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.